Just a very quick update here to an earlier video on patterning ribs. Thank you to Dave Gazzo for pointing out that as a pattern extends outwards, each subsequent rib terminates at a higher point. This is a consequence of the geometrical interaction between the rib and the cylinder. If you have other mating components, this has the potential to cause interference. One way to resolve this is to go into the sketch to add a short horizontal segment. First, let's remove the dimension. Hover over this point until the coincident constraint appears. Select that constraint and delete. This point is now free to move. Add the horizontal line and fully define the sketch. When we exit the sketch, you will most likely see the rib feature failing to regenerate. This can usually be resolved by going into the feature and confirming it without changing anything. The rib has regenerated to include a top face parallel to the top plane. The subsequent pattern features would extend this face up to the cylinder. Since it is parallel to the top plane to begin with, no matter how much you extend, each of these ribs will terminate at the same level.